Alright, what's up guys? Ash Dragging is back with another Go unboxing for the holidays. I'm gonna pay my 131 to get my 5 ticket. Go mining token is up, so I'm gonna profit and invest with the Go mining token I bought a few days ago. So I'm making profit for buying early, which is good. So I'm using my coupon I got yesterday, and let's do it. Boom. There we go. We upgraded my miner to 54.4 terahash, so now I'm in the good average of plus 50 terahash to get a good ROI for my investment. So okay, let's see if we got our 5 go bucks. Yes, we did. So let's start unboxing. Let's hope we get 5 JPEG today. If we get 5, it's gonna be great. Alright, first it's JPEG. And we got a snowman. Okay, second case. Let's hope for another JPEG. Discount 10%? 5%. Okay, that's terrible. That is a terrible, terrible, terrible box. Alright, third box. And before another discount. It's another discount. Okay, that's 10%. That's a little bit better, but still pretty terrible. Alright, another bucks. Bonus miner 6 days. Please, yeah, 6 days. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Now we got 12 days of bonus miner. And nice case. Let's see what we get. Bonus miner 6 days? Oh yeah, 6 days. Okay. Okay, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. Sadly, I lost my chance of getting that 24 terahash miner by collecting 15 JPEG, but hey, we've got 18 days of bonus miner. 18 days is pretty good, and we got another discount for tomorrow. So, damn, I'm gonna have to invest again if I buy more. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I'll add a little bit more tomorrow. Maybe do another 5 go bucks unboxing and see what we get. And after that, I think I'm gonna be done with this event. Like, I only got 3 JPEG out of 15, so the chances are almost non-existent now for me to actually get the miner. But hey, 18 days of bonus miner, got another discount for tomorrow. I'm happy with it. Those gold bucks are just an extra, to be honest. Like, don't invest into your miners just to get gold bucks. You should invest because you're upgrading your miners. You know, the gold bucks just an extra cherry on top. Well, that'll be all for me. I got a lot of things to do today, so I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll post another video tomorrow before I go to a party tomorrow. So that'll be it for me today. Have a good one. Peace.